Hey guys, I am back again, and I have a Cloud 9 braided unit for you. I have her in the color 1B. The package that she comes in, she has a 13 by 5. I absolutely love her. I did catch her on Amazon, marked down to 110, and they are going fast over there. So that's the style. That's nice. They killed it. Very nicely done. Very. And she's got a brown skin lace cap, and you got your two combs right here. You have your adjustable band on there, so that's really nice. So you can adjust this, you know what I'm saying, to fit your head size. So I'm definitely going glueless. And you have your adjustable straps in the back. I said two tabs. And you have your you got a comb right there where the tag is. Now that's kind of like you can cut it out or leave it in there. Don't make me know, never mind. I just leave them in there. So back here, let's get to the back of this. So this is what, when you stretch this out, this is kind of like, you know, but you really can't see it, but you see the net cap, and you see how the braids are underneath all this, okay? But with that being said, I still think it's all right. It's still camouflage enough for me. So it's not really gonna bother me because I just think the way that they did that, it still looks really nice. And it's saving you time. You ain't gotta sit in nobody's chair. I mean, I don't have time for that nowadays. I used to bring my own hair, but braiding is time consuming. All right. Dang, okay, girl. Impressive. Very impressive. I don't even have like any kind of cap on. Look at that. And I mean, she's sitting snug, so I don't think I would have to worry about her sliding back on me, especially with the adjustable strap, y'all. And yeah, my edges are sticking out, but I want that because I want it to look, you know, as natural as possible. Shoot, I can even leave out a little twist, like, you know what I mean? This is nice. I absolutely love it. So let me cut the lace and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So basically all I did was, I didn't cut the baby hairs, but I did just like swoop them and lay them down real quick. Let me show you the products that I used. And this, my masterpiece. Really, pretty much all I've been using so far because I like them. Because I don't get that white residue like I do with that Style Factor booster. Like, I just got tired of all that. So this is perfect, and it's pretty much glueless. Only thing that I usually hope and, you know, mess on is these baby hairs. So they are rather long. But I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to, like, you know, not mess with them for you guys know, you know what I'm saying, what you getting, you know, if you choose not to cut them or anything. So there she is on the right. There she is in the back. There's all the braids to the back. This is what she would look like pulled up. And there she is on the left side. So these are so cute. You cannot beat that. Look at that braiding job. I didn't add anything to it. I didn't add any powder or anything. I think I'm just going to leave all that alone. I wish somebody would say something with their hair not done. Try to say, oh, I can see that. Try me. That's what I'll say about that. Because I'm a Cancer. Try me. Yeah. So, you can keep all your negative comments to yourself if you have any, because they will be getting deleted on my channel, boo-boo. How you doing? Like Wendy Williams say, how you doing? So this is where she's coming to. So like right below my boobs. So look at those. I love this unit. I love this unit. I love it so much. I don't even know if I'm keeping the other one that I brought. This one 10 times better. Like, you cannot I love when braids are done like thin like this. You know what I'm saying? And this looks really good. This looks better than some walking around braids that I see. And I'm just keeping it trill. You know what I'm saying? So I might add like a little bit of my powder right here in the front. I mean, you can, I didn't even spray it because I'm funny about that spray. I'm tired of that spray because it gets, you can go in like that. That spray stuff does, I don't want to ruin these braids. I'm not, forget all that. You pay like 100 plus for something. It's all good. It should be all good anyway. So yeah, that's about, I would say just like right here in the front, maybe add some powder. Now you can do what you want with it. I'm just not that pressed like that. Like it's not that serious. But this looks so good for it to be like glueless. See what I'm saying? I already got some makeup on. Oh yeah, and I did use my little black so I did use this, you know, to tie it down, my scarf, my black scarf. I just brought a new one from Elevate Styles that you know what I'm saying, you tie it down with, but I don't know where I put it. So sorry about that, but I wanted to use it for this. So yeah, this is all the way if you're looking for a braided unit. I didn't have to put that much effort into it at all. I mean, I don't feel like you should have to, and I didn't have to like glue anything down, you know. You just gotta watch gluing stuff down because that stuff, it's not good for your edges like that. I don't care nobody say, because it will pull and tug, especially trying to get it off. Like I did that like one time, that got to be, you know, not paying attention and rip my dang edges out right here. Like luckily they grew back, but it's still like very painful. So just be careful, like, you know, that's what the adjustable band is for. Like just adjust it and it should get snatched to your head. Is she big head friendly? I would say she's a little tight, but I have my, you know, adjustable strap in the back tight. So I'm pretty sure if you're big headed, you can loosen it up because I got plenty of room. I actually had to slide this back more, you know what I'm saying? So I have a medium head size. So yeah, but I'm very happy with my purchase. This is my Sensational Kilted on this one. They did diligence. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys later. Toodles.